and welcome to On Point Math. Today we'll be learning about exponents. An exponent is a small raised number next to a bigger number known as the base. The exponent represents the number of times the base number is being multiplied by itself. Exponents are also called powers. Here you see an example. This is read as 4 to the third power. 4 is the base number. The small number 3 to the right of it tells us the 4 is being multiplied by itself 3 times. This means 4 to the power of 3 is equal to 4 times 4 times 4, which equals 64. 4 to the third power does not equal 4 times 3. 4 is being multiplied by itself 3 times, not times the number 3. Any number without an exponent has an invisible exponent of 1. 7 is equal to 7 to the first power. Any number with an exponent of 0 is equal to 1. So 4 to the 0 power is 1. When you see a negative exponent, always rewrite it as 1 over the absolute value of the power, meaning you put a 1 over it and change it from negative to positive. Properties of exponents are the rules you use when using exponents in equations. When multiplying powers with the same base, the base stays the same and you add the exponents. This is called the product of powers property, because a product is the answer to a multiplication problem. When dividing powers with the same base stays the same and you subtract the exponents. This is called the quotient of powers property. A quotient is the answer to a division problem. You cannot add or subtract exponents unless you solve for each power separately and then add the answers. The only exception to this rule is when you are doing scientific notation, which you will learn in our next video. If the bases are different but the exponents are the same, do the operation you are using to the bases and keep the exponent. In this case, it's multiplication, so multiply the bases and keep the exponent. If it were division, you would divide the bases. But what if you are multiplying and dividing powers with different bases and different exponents? Solve each power separately and multiply or divide the answers. When you see parentheses around a power with a second exponent on the outside, this is called a power of a power. To solve, simply multiply the exponent and keep the base. This is called the power of powers property. Now pause the video and try these problems on your own. Unpause when you're done to see if your answer was correct. Continue watching if you're unsure how to solve them. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video if it helped.